Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi option in your LG AC remote. First, confirm your LG air conditioner supports Wi-Fi connectivity. Next, download the LG ThinQ application from your App Store onto your smartphone. Power on your air conditioner unit. Then, find the Wi-Fi button on your remote control or directly on the unit itself. This button is crucial for initiating the connection process. To activate the Wi-Fi mode, press and hold the dedicated Wi-Fi button on your remote or unit for about 3 to 5 seconds. You will notice the Wi-Fi indicator light on your air conditioner start to blink. This blinking light confirms that your unit is now in pairing mode, ready to connect. Also, make sure your smartphone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for optimal compatibility. Now, open the LG ThinQ application on your smartphone. Look for the Add Product or a plus icon, usually located at the top right or center. Select Air Conditioner from the list of available devices. The app will then guide you through a few simple on-screen steps to complete the pairing process. This typically involves confirming the blinking light and entering your Wi-Fi password. Once successfully paired, you can control your LG air conditioner from virtually anywhere using the ThinQ app. Adjust the temperature, change the operating mode, or modify the fan speed with just a few taps. You can also set convenient schedules for automatic operation and even monitor your unit's energy consumption, helping you manage your home's climate efficiently and smartly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.